is Lyle Cam.
Hello.
I'm shooting these people. So yeah. Well, who wants to start? It's a good day here. It's a good day here, isn't it?
Yeah, no.
What is the most interesting scene you guys have ever done?
Ever?
On a Ferris wheel? Or
just in
ever.
general on a Ferris wheel?
Well, I think the most interesting scene I had to do was when I had to dive into the floor and get a nosebleed.
Oh, and that was
on
so
my
good
birthday.
too.
Yeah.
How did you do that? How did you do that to make it look real?
I just went for it. Kidding.
Oh.
Stunt double.
Hey AJ,
I'll get ya. My
Okay,
most interesting scene is when I had to kiss my twin brother while being drunk.
Ooh, frisky.
That was interesting.
I think
That
the
was
whole
interesting, yeah,
pregnancy
lying
thing
together.
was just interesting.
We are
That
lounging.
belly was weird.
Lounging about.
Yeah. What was the belly like? Like,
It's awful.
how did it make
Oh
you?
god, it was awful.
How did you put it on? Was it like a big
It was
vest?
like shorts.
How about you, Monroe? What's the most interesting scene you've got to do?
I've ever done. Most interesting scene. I guess I'd have to be like going through like the whole hoarding thing.
How about you guys? What's your most interesting scene so far?
I got spit at by
Okay. Yeah.
It tastes disgusting.
What was it?
It was yeast and water. Or
Why did they have to eat some?
I don't know. It's gross. They didn't know it was gonna be yeast, so I was like,
Yuck.
"What?"